We are into the final step now. So far, we have built a program which explores the dataset, uses the group by function, and visualizes the bar chart using ggplot2. This is the complete program we have written. Now it is the time to export this executed program and to communicate our results to other people. So we can render this document, and once I press render, it starts rendering this document in the HTML format at the beginning I have chosen. Either you can render it using the doc, otherwise you can do it for the PDF. That can be selected while at the time of when you are creating this QMD file. So in case if I am creating a new QMD file, if I go to file, new file, R-Quattro document. So here we have three different types of rendering. One is HTML, PDF, and the third one is the Word. At the beginning of creating this particular program one document, I had selected HTML. So this particular document gets rendered in HTML. Before I press this render button, I should make sure that all the blocks which are in this particular file are executed. That can be done this run button. I'm clicking on run all chunks below. So that means all the chunks below this particular chunks will show the output one by one. Before I can export this document or render this document, running all the chunks is mandatory. This will produce the output of each and every chunk of the code we have written. It makes the document or the Quattro document completely executed and it is complete. Once after doing that, this document currently is not saved. I'm titled 1 star. So I need to save this document. Locate a place where you want to save this document on. I have saved this document. Next step is to press on this render button at the top. Once I press on this render button, the document starts rendering the output of this particular the browser. So here you can see the nice and clean output of all the steps we had carried out to get the current output we had seen in the RStudio console. The same thing got repeated here. This is a very nice and clean way of documenting, and if in case if you want to communicate this particular HTML file or the Word file or the PDF file, you can send it to your friends for analysis, or you can keep it for yourself for the future usage. One additional thing you can do is you can publish it on the internet. So before you publish it on the internet, you need to create your profile on RPubs. Then if you click on this publish, there will be two options. One option is RPubs. If you select, this will take you to the RPubs website. To sign in to your account, I have already created this account on the RPubs. In case if you want to create one, you can create. I am logging into the already created account. So I need to give the title visualization bar plot ggplot ggplot2. Otherwise I can give program one, right? So as a description of this program one, what I will give is this problem statement what I have chosen. I have given this as the problem statement, and I can give what needs to be the URL, right? pgm1 2526, right? Program 12526. Click on continue. This gets published on your account. This, as soon as this gets published, you can share this particular page with your friends. Otherwise you can showcase, otherwise you can add it to your resume, so that this analysis has been done by you and you can get the credits. Here there are a couple of other options also available at the bottom. You can either comment on it or you can share on the different platforms to showcase what you have created. Otherwise you can hide the comments in the toolbars. So this is about executing the very first program. We have step by step executed, created the program, we have executed the program, and we have seen the output, and we were able to render it into the different formats. The different formats are, this is the HTML format, and we can also even render the Word document. Otherwise we can render in the PDF as well. So we have completed the program one, and I will walk you through the program two in the coming video. Thank you all for watching. See you in the next class.